The Spectrum TV app provides seamless access to live TV and on-demand content on Xumo devices. Let's explore how to access and sign into this pre-installed application. The Spectrum TV app comes pre-installed on both Xumo Streambox and Xumo TV devices. This means you don't need to download or install anything. The app is ready to use right out of the box. If your Xumo device is connected to Spectrum Wi-Fi, the app will automatically log you in. The system recognizes your network connection and authenticates your account seamlessly, eliminating the need for manual login credentials. If automatic login doesn't work, you can manually sign in using your existing Spectrum credentials. Simply enter your Spectrum username and password in the login fields, then tap Sign In to access your content. New Spectrum customers will need to create a username before accessing the app. Visit spectrum.net to set up your account credentials. Then use these new login details on your Xumo device. Once logged in, you can customize your experience by setting a default channel that will automatically play each time you open the Spectrum TV app. Access this feature through the app's settings menu to choose your preferred startup channel. Now that you're signed into the Spectrum TV app on your Xumo device, let's explore how to navigate and use all its features effectively. The Xumo Remote's navigation pad is your primary tool for controlling the Spectrum TV app. Use the directional arrows to move through menus and the center button to select options. The navigation pad provides access to several key features. You can open the program guide, view recently watched channels, access info banners for current shows, and navigate through all app menus. Here's what the program guide looks like on your TV screen. The guide shows current and upcoming programs across all your channels, with the current time displayed at the top. You can see channels like HGTV are highlighted when selected, showing current and upcoming programs. Use the navigation pad to move between channels and time slots to find the content you want to watch. The Spectrum TV app on Xumo gives you access to both live television and on-demand content. You can watch current broadcasts as they air or browse through a library of shows and movies available anytime. If you have Spectrum Cloud DVR or Cloud DVR Plus, you can access all your recorded programs through the app. Your recordings are stored in the cloud, so you can watch them from any device, anywhere. Recent software updates have added exciting new features to the Spectrum TV app on Xumo. You can now pause live television directly within the app, giving you more control over your viewing experience. With these navigation tools and features, you have complete control over your Spectrum TV experience on Xumo. Use the remote's navigation pad to explore all the content options, access your recordings, and enjoy the latest streaming capabilities.